Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this offset trip lever. As you can see that I have already converted it into the 3D model with the help of this isometric drawing, and I will show you from the scratch how you can read the drawings and create this trip lever. So start it. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here. If you like my method of teaching, then please support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I will provide my website and my Ko-fi donation page link in a video descriptions. So let's come back to our tutorial. So I will close this file and create a new file, and here I have activated the part design workbench. I will insert the body and I will on my origin plane, and I will select my right plane and click on the sketch, and I will off this origin. And now my diameter is of 40 mm, so I will select the circle, create the circle and give it a diameter of 40. Now we will come out of it, and total length is of 80 mm. So we will select the sketch, click on the pad and give the 80 mm, and from here we will click on symmetric to the plane and click on OK. Now to create this face or this solid, we require a datum plane. So we will select this back face and click on the datum, and in Z direction I will give the 20 mm distance. So you can see that datum plane has been created at a distance of 20 mm. Now click on OK. Now click on the rebuild symbol, switch to the isometric. Now we will create this profile on our datum plane. So we have selected a datum plane and click on the sketch. Now we will switch to the isometric, switch to the right view. Now from here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will click on the project geometry and project this outer boundary, and now we will off this datum plane, and we will create a radius of 32, which is this one. So we will click on the circle, select it and give the radius dimension of 32, and now create a line and then create a 3-point arc, and add the tangency relation here. And now click on the trim option, trim it, and also click on the line and create a line. Now click on the trim one. Now add the coincidence relation with the center, and this radius is of R22. And from this radius center to this is a 50. So select this point and this point, give it 50. So you can see that our sketch has been fully constrained. Now we will come out of it and from here we will switch to the flat lines, and now we will create a pad of 10 mm. Click on the pad, click on the reverse, and click on the OK. Now we will create a fillet of 6 mm R6, which is this one, this edge. So select the edge and click on the fillet and give the 6 mm, and here we will give the fillet of R10. So we will select it and give the fillet of 10 mm. Click on OK. Now we will create this solid. For this we will select this face and click on the sketch. We will click on the project geometry, and here we will create a circle, and here we will also create a circle. And now I will draw the two tangent line. Select this and this and add the tangent, then select this and this, add the coincidence, then select this and this and add the tangent, and this and this and add the coincidence. Similarly here select this and this and add the tangent. Similarly this and this and add the tangent. Now click on the trim, trim it, and trim it. Now this is of a radius R15, so we will select it and give the radius of 15, and center to center is 75, so we will select these two and add the dimension of 75. And now we will find what is the unconstrained. So here we will select this and add the equal. So our sketch is fully constrained. Close it, and this is the pad of 15 mm. So we will click on the pad, and from here we will click on the reverse, click on OK. Now you are seeing a line here, so we will use the refine tool options. So refine is a false, we will set it true and switch to the isometric. And now here is a two circle, one of diameter 19 and 13, so we will select it, the face, and click on the sketch. Now we will click on the project geometry, project this one and this one, and create the two circles, this and this. So this is the diameter 13.5, so we will give the diameter 13.5, and this one is of diameter 19, click on the close, click on the pocket tool or hole tool, you can use the both. So say true all, say OK. So you can see that we have successfully converted this offset trip lever in a FreeCAD with the help of part design workbench. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.